This video will be all about AnySearch malware and how to manually remove AnySearch malware from your Mac. But first, what is AnySearch virus? It's a nasty browser hijacker that once your Mac is infected, always displays the AnySearch homepage in your browser. No good. You may have accidentally installed it by clicking some permission too quickly. Also, this virus often sneaks inside other popular downloads like Adobe Flash Player. Once AnySearch locks your homepage, unfortunately, it's incredibly tricky to root out. It's been associated with unwanted ads and collecting users' data. Its search is also no match to Google, obviously. So let's get it out from your Mac. Check and remove your startup items. A virus like this one often inserts itself in your startup items, so it launches every time you boot your Mac. You need to go to System Preferences. Click Users and Groups. Now, unlock the padlock in the bottom left corner. Choose the login items and look for anything that looks suspicious. To remove an item from startup, use the minus sign. Well done! You can also use an extra tool to remove even unseen login items and plugins. This is the most reputable Mac cleaner app out there, CleanMyMac X. So I run CleanMyMac X. The link to it is in the description. Now I click Optimization. Login items, here they are. See how many items I can delete. Some of these apps may be exploiting your Mac in a bad way. And by the way, CleanMyMac X has a built-in antivirus. You can click on Malware Removal over here. If you click Scan, it will check your Mac for potential threats and macOS-specific viruses like adware agents. And it works in real time. Cool. Step 2. Here's the thing. Your Mac has a number of background applications that don't usually show up anywhere. They are called LaunchAgents or Daemons, maybe because they act like ghosts. Chances are, AnySearch could be hiding among these. Follow my instructions and we'll see what you got. Now click Go in the top menu and choose Go to Folder. Now type in the following path. It's in the description for this video. Just copy it from there. You'll see a bunch of plist files. Inspect those closely and select the ones that look suspicious, like names of apps you don't remember installing. Move these files to the trash. You're doing great. Before we continue, repeat the same step, but now for 2 more locations. Once you've dragged all the files you want to remove to the trash, empty it and restart your Mac. Step 3. What we'll do now is reset your default homepage in the browser. For Safari, go to Safari Preferences. Now click on the Search tab. There you can select your preferred search service in the drop-down menu. For Chrome browser, click on the 3-dot icon in the top right corner. Choose Settings. Click on Startup. Check the button next to Open a specific page or set of pages. Okay, add a new page you'd like to launch first. Now let's dive into the tab called Search Engine. Review your default search engines, and if you see AnySearch mentioned anywhere, remove it from the list. But there's more. Luckily, there's a way to reset your Chrome to its original before-infected state. In the same settings menu, click Advanced at the bottom of the page. Now click Restore Settings. It resets a lot of things like tabs, default search engines, cookies, extensions. So beware. Okay, extensions. Extensions are gateways for viruses. Not all of them, but still. Here's the tip. Know your extensions and keep them in constant check. For Chrome, click that 3-dot icon again. This is Settings. Scroll down to find Extensions. I'll bet you find some weird item there you didn't know about. Remove it. In Safari, extensions are even easier to find. Click the Safari main menu and choose Extensions. As we just did, remove extensions. So far, we've cleaned the browser part. What's left is to root out AnySearch from the inside of your macOS. Please open Chrome, paste this string into the URL field, and press Return. The combination is in the description. You will see something like this. Take note what's written under the level and policy columns. Recommended means AnySearch has gained control over your Chrome settings. So you have to uninstall Chrome. If it says mandatory, it means the malware sits deeper and is tied to your user account. And we'll try one more step. Go up to the Go menu in the menu bar. Click Go to Folder and paste in this directory: /library/managed preferences/your username. Check the description for this video. You should enter your username as shown in the preferences/users and groups. So, add your username to the combination. Open the folder. Now look for a com.google.chrome file there. If you have found this file in any of these locations, please open that file in any text editor and check if you can find any AnySearch-related information there. Then manually remove mentions of AnySearch from the file and restart your Mac. Whew, that was hard. This is a heavy artillery, and my favorite option I've saved for the last tip. Viruses on Mac could be rooted so deep in system settings, it's hard to get it out with bare hands. So I'll use a tool that many of you know. It's CleanMyMac X by MacPaw. Don't confuse it with other supposed Mac cleaners. This one is legit and it's notarized by Apple. CleanMyMac X has an antivirus tool built in besides regular cleanup, and it deals with macOS specific viruses. Download CleanMyMac X. The link is in the description. Launch the app and click the malware removal button. Now sit back and let it find any agents and malware on your Mac. This looks cool, but you can do more tricks with it. I can enable a real-time protection for next time when I am in the wrong part of the internet. Open CleanMyMac X settings in the top menu, Preferences, and now Protection. Tick that box that says Enable Real-Time Protection. That's it. You've set up an antivirus shield for your Mac. There are more cool Mac tune-ups you can try. So check the link in the description. Okay, those were my methods to remove AnySearch malware. Don't click weird pop-ups on the internet and keep your Mac safe. Bye!